Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my Superlight project. Today's video I'm going to install the bottom bracket. So let's do it. I will apply an anti-seize compound. This will prevent your bottom bracket to get stuck. So next time you remove your bottom bracket, it will be so much easier. This bottom bracket has a mark that says L for left and R for right. The driver's side or the right side, you turn it counterclockwise to tighten it. The left side, you turn it clockwise to tighten it. Don't force it. If it doesn't turn smoothly, you will damage the thread. Oh yeah, very nice and smooth. Alright guys, that's it for now. More parts are coming, so stay tuned for more updates. And thanks for watching. Peace.